Nandito po tayo to interview Mr. Sandy.
Sandy po.
Anong pangalan po ng kumpanya nyo?
Comic Odyssey po.
Okay, Comic Odyssey. Ano po mga binibenta nyo rito sa Comic Odyssey?
Mostly mga comics, graphic novels,
Okay.
sets, big sets, back issues.
So, like this one are new comics?
Actually, these are mostly back issues.
Back issues, okay. And ito pong nasa side na to is graphic novels.
Backs.
Okay.
Everything is 50% off for the show.
Okay, that's very good price. Tapos ito naman tong mga comics na to is...
Naman po, mga back issues na 50 pesos each.
Okay. So these are like older back issues. Okay. So it's really good para sa mga nangongolekta siguro, no? Yung mga wala pa silang mga issues na ano.
Ito mga sets po nila.
Okay.
Good price.
Yeah. I think we have like an avid buyer here. Sir, pwede lang ma-interview lang po. Mukhang mahilig talaga kayo sa comics. Are there really good buys na nakikita kayo?
Yes.
Okay, that's very good. So, madadagdagan yung collection nyo. Thank you very much po, sir. So, Mr. Sandy, this is the first day po ng how is it so far? Mukhang medyo
It's a bit slow the first day.
okay.
Because, I think it's Friday nga.
Especially Friday. Tomorrow is
Tomorrow's usually Saturdays are the
okay.
busiest day.
And also it's Father's Day weekend.
Father's Day weekend.
Okay. So maraming mga dads kasama yung mga anak nila na pupunta rito.
Hopefully.
Okay, that's good, yeah. Okay. So you have also, I see like some toys as well, sir.
We have a little bit of toys, mga Japanese comics, manga, mga ganun.
Okay, so
Not too much of toys. We're mostly talagang comics po.
sa comics,
Although
okay.
sa Toy-Con,
Okay.
we concentrate on the comics.
Sa comics.
We have a
Okay.
little variety naman for the...
Oh, yes, yeah. Okay. Thank you very much, Mr. Sandy.
Thank you.